Sup, yo? I'm Ryan Oceans, the guy with the green, and this is a show where I make things, lots of things, because if women don't find you handsome, get a hobby. I've got lots. Anyways, on this episode, I do another custom Last Ronin build. Yeah, I'm gonna start. Cool. So this one's, I do a few things different than the last one, but this is a faster video, just kind of how it's made style like I do. If you're making your own, I recommend watching both videos because I do a couple things different and I explain it much more on the other one. So now I'm just to fill in his mouth because it was all weird and then be able to resculpt it. I used its compound joint nail hole filler. It says it's better than spackle. Usually I use spackling, but this it did sand nicer, I think. It's a Richards joint compound. Then I did some other stuff, getting clothes ready. Then I sand with a nail file because it's easy, because it's small, it gets into little details. Just putting a base color green just to help me see. Then I'm folding the hood just to give it a little shape and gluing it down using tacky glue. It's just a regular craft glue. A little touch up on his pants. Alright, jacket's pretty ready. Needs a little help putting the hood in. I'm watching on the screen over here, that's why I'm not always looking at the camera. A little more touch up on his mouth. Now starting the weapons, gonna make some custom swords, and I'm just cut some notches to put the stainless steel blade in. That's what I use for the stainless steel blade. It's a stainless steel zip tie. I used some super glue to glue it into the notch that I made earlier. Now I'm drilling some holes for the nunchucks. That's just a piece I glued together for the belt. Cutting some parts to go inside the coat where like a zipper would go, but it doesn't have a zipper. I don't know what that's called. I'm not a sewer person, a tailor. And if you want to learn like exactly what I did to make the jacket, I do it in the other video, but now I'm using some wood filler to fill in the extra bit of notch in the sword to make it smooth, and super gluing little like bungee thread. Now gluing the bags together. The bungee is for the nunchucks. You can see them there. Now that dried glue on the other side. Yeah, I like the nunchucks like that. They're dope. It's just a bunch of stuff I had left over from the other Last Ronin build. I'm gonna paint up some weapons, all the weapons he's gonna have. I'm going for like a black with a little bit of a blue in it, but this first coat just came out pretty much black. Another coat of green on his face because he had a weird mouth and expression on his face that wasn't right, so I filled it in, and I keep trying different colors of green. Eventually I get one that I like. Now I'm just making a little chest piece for him that goes under his jacket. So I'm using a thin textured foam because it has like lines on it that are reminiscent of the picture I'm going off of as a reference. Oh, I should turn the volume off on my phone. Is there a hockey game on today? Usually not this popular. Oh, what the fuck? Oh. People like me. Oh shit. It's music stuff, not this. I'm painting his head now. Okay, what am I doing? Oh, for one of the swords, it's like a tanto sword or something, so I'm putting a guard on that with a little piece of foam that I had left over. glue that on. Now I have little tiny magnets that I'm using to keep the little pouches so they can open and close. I can keep stuff in them. Well, he can keep stuff in them. And then to keep the magnet tight while the glue dries, it's just what are those? Tweezers? Yeah. Painting some more stuff. Black or black blue. Oh, his mask is getting a treatment of the black, blue, black. Yeah, the other video is a lot longer, and you can learn with me if you want to make your own, because I did a lot of this stuff for the first time. Now I'm doing it for the second time in this video, so it was a lot faster, and I don't explain it as much. Or at all. I'm making his knee pads, those are thumbtacks. I cut off the tack part and glued some straps to go around his legs. Now I'm gluing everything together. Those are his shoulder pads. I painted them brown but then green. Put a strap on that bag, working on some weapons. Oh, that's a piece on his back. Yeah, these are all just the finishing touches, getting everything together. Oh yeah, putting some ninja stars in his pouch, and that's him, he's done. Thanks a lot for watching. So that's what kind of what he looked like at the beginning, that's what I was going for, that's what he looks like now. That's the first one I did, and the second, let me know which one you like better. If you have a preference, that would be dope. Thanks for watching, peace.